All right, guys, let's jump right into it. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm joined by my man, Caden here.
Hey guys.
Caden's in our neighborhood. Come to find out, he's an awesome artist.
Yep.
So I said, dude, you got to get in on this stuff with me. You know, he's already got an iPad. You're working in Procreate, working in Infinite Painter. You're doing stuff in your sketchbook. You're doing really good. So he's going to be joining me for this unboxing video and for the review. I'm going to get you in to try it and see what you think about the tablet and give your opinion about it as well. But I just wanted to let everybody know this video is sponsored by Xencelabs, but they didn't tell me to make a YouTube video. All they told me was just try out the products and tell us what you think. They didn't make me say it was great or whatever. You know, they're not paying me to say it was great. In fact, they're just sending me the stuff and saying, look, if you like it, good, talk about that. If you don't like it, you know, that's fine. You can talk about that too. So, so it's all on the up and up, and that actually made me like the company a lot more too. So I'm really hopeful that Xencelabs is going to fix those issues that I've had. I had an Intuos 2 for like 9 years. It worked great. Intuos Pros, 3 of them broke. So I'm hoping this is the one.
Yes.
So let's jump into that unboxing, and me and Caden are gonna give you our natural reaction. We did kind of cut it open so I could get this shirt. I knew there was a shirt in there, so I kind of cheated a little bit. So I saw it a tiny bit before, but we didn't open the boxes yet. So so go ahead and walk through it with us, and here we go. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're gonna dive right into it. Now look at this box. Come on, Caden, look at this. This is how you know a company is legit. Well, everybody can probably see my pink salmon. My pink salmon shirts. No, but this is how you know a company's good. Like, I like little touches like this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Like with the tape with the company's name. They don't have to do that, right? It could just be normal tape. But I'll tell you what, like everything that they've sent, like all the sign up process to work with them and like all this stuff, like everything they needed me to sign and everything has been very smooth and super professional. Like it's been really good. So, anyways, let's get started. You open it, man. Okay. You do the honors. We've already like I said, we cut this so I can get the shirt out. I'm wearing their shirt, you know. So, but I haven't. I just looked at it for like 1 second and that's it. So go ahead, man. The reveal. Ta-da! What's this too? I didn't even notice this when I opened it.
Wait, what?
Nice, a sketchbook?
Okay, that's cool.
I didn't even know I was gonna get this.
That's cool.
Okay, you take a look at it. You open it up. Open it up, man. Open it up. What do you think? What do you think?
It's very neat.
Yes. Ooh, nice, man. Open it up. Yeah, let's see. Here, we'll put it right here so they can see it. We'll turn it around. Oh, nice, a ruled sketchbook. Nice.
That's
cool.
that
This front section's got like gridded stuff too.
Yeah.
This is awesome. This is a really, really good thing. I wasn't expecting that at all.
Me
This
neither.
is killer. And look, you can save your spot, and you can.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love this.
That's like in Bibles and stuff where you have to save your spot.
Yeah, exactly. That's so cool. Look at that. Love it. That was a big surprise. All right. Now we get to the juicy parts.
Yes.
All right. Let's see what we got. Nicely packaged.
Good job.
All right. So, it's not just a pen tablet. It's that whole bundle. It's their medium bundle. Like it's a medium-sized tablet. And then it's got a controller here that you can program, but it also has 2 pens. One's skinnier, one's bigger. So we're going to start opening this.
Okay.
I'm just going to see if I can get this. I just realized that I didn't bring any sharp objects over here.
Me neither.
So I'm just going to try to go. Yes. All right, man, you go for it. Open it up. Let's see what we got. I love this sketchbook.
Same.
Yeah, that was a surprise. I didn't even know I was going to get that. Oh, I know. It is satisfying. It is. It is. There's something about it that is satisfying. It's like Christmas, man. It's like Christmas.
It's just hanging.
Look at this little raised section on the box.
Oh.
You guys probably can't see that, but like, there's a little perforated. It's not perforated, but it looks like that kind of. It's like sort of a design element.
Yeah,
It's
like
raised.
This part
It's
can
really
open,
cool.
And you can just grab it.
It's really cool. Yeah. So it looks awesome. All right, so let's open this up here. Let's see what we got here. Take a look at the back. You know, you can see it's got the. Oh, good! It's got a glove in it, like one of those gloves. That's perfect. All right.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. All right. Let's slide this bad boy out. I'm just doing this because it's probably easier for me to do it. You know. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice. Yeah. See, look. I mean, even like a lot of people don't put stock in this and stuff, but I really do think that packaging, like when you look at packaging, like it's kind of like it doesn't mean necessarily that somebody has money if they dress nice, but it probably is more likely that they have money if they dress nice. So when I see something like this and I see nice products put together like this, it automatically makes me have more confidence. You know, because it just looks nice. It's like designed well. It's not junky and.
I like stuff that are designed well.
Yeah, me too. I do too, man. I do too. All right, pop that bad boy open. Let's see what we got.
Hallelujah.
Oh, snap. Grazie. Thank you, danke. And then gracias, and I don't know the rest.
Those are all.
Yeah, they're saying thank you. That's right. That's right.
Different languages.
Yeah, look, so let me read this to you guys. We appreciate you choosing Xencelabs. We spent countless hours with professional artists to co-design the details of this tablet. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. As a result, 2 pens are provided to accommodate different hand sizes, which is going to be interesting. Put your hand in there next to mine. Put your hand in there next to mine. Like, look at that. Like, this is going to be interesting to see which one you prefer and I prefer.
Yeah.
You know, because like they said, they accommodate different pens, different hand sizes.
Yeah.
They've made innovations in their pen pressure technology. You can draw with the lightest of touch. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
I love that because when I oil paint, I have to use a really light touch. And it's all about the touch with that. And one of the things that's frustrating me about the Huion right now is that it's not as touch sensitive. It's kind of clunky. So if you prefer to have your touch, you can adjust it, you know, in the settings. But I'm not gonna because you guys got it set right, you know?
Yep.
All right. Oh yeah, they also scrutinize over the right amount of surface friction or tooth to give a great drawing experience. I love this. Love it. This is great. This is great. All right, go for it, man. Ooh, it's nice.
I don't know how to do this.
Oh, just reach under there and just pull it up, man. Just go for it. Yeah. Oh, it's thin. It's pretty thin. It's thinner than I thought it would be. Nice. It's more lightweight and thin. It's not as thick and bulky. I don't know if I'm remembering. It's definitely thinner than the Huion, like for sure.
Definitely.
But I think this is thinner than the Wacom was. I believe so. I believe so. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, boy. Look at that. Oh, look. And look, they've got some buttons up here. And there's a slight curve in this. That's actually awesome, like for resting your hand on there. I don't know if I've ever seen that, actually.
Me neither.
That curve, like, so you can rest your hand on there like that. That's pretty sweet. Feel that, man. Pick that up and feel that. It's not very heavy. Like, it sounds funny, but when you have something sitting on your lap or you have something, like, you don't want something that's super heavy. You want something that's nice and the surface feels good. It feels solid, too, doesn't it? It does. You agree? You concur? You concur? All right, let's put... I got this off to the side. Hopefully they're not seeing all the stuff in here. Let's see what's underneath, man. Ooh, nice. Grab that. Open it up, man. Go for it.
Got an iPad for this?
How do you feel about this? What do you think?
It's smooth.
It's smooth? Yeah, man. That's nice. I like that they have the buttons on there, too. Even though they have the extra... Xencelabs. Yeah, baby. Put it here. Let's put this like this. I'm going to put this stuff right here so we can see it all. Yeah. And what's that? Is it just? I think this is just a carrying bag, or yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, it's got good Velcro. Oh, jeez, that's what I'm. See, even high quality Velcro. No, I mean that kind of thing makes. I mean, it's true. Like that is high quality Velcro. That feels like my boxing gloves, you know.
Yeah.
No, that's nice. Okay, good. So this is just.
Maybe this part is where you put the sketchbook.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yep. Tablet. Look at that. And this is the other thing that's awesome about. Yeah, it fits perfect. Exactly. Like it's not oversized. It's not. I see little things like that. They matter to me. Like they matter to me. Maybe it's because I'm old and I'm getting cranky, Caden. Like maybe, but things like that. Things like that matter to me. Like I just like when people do things right. You know.
Yes.
All right, go for the rest, man. Let's see what else we got.
No, I want to do this.
Yes, do it. Do it. I think that's the controller. I think that's the remote controller. Oh, can you get it open? Yeah?
No, you do that.
Want me to get it? Okay, here. No, you open it the rest of the way. Here, just do it right here, yeah. All right. Oh, just cords. Just cords. All right, all the cords. Let's put them here. Oh, nice. Look, an angled. This is really good, too, like having an angled USB.
Yes. So
yeah, in the back, too. Thank goodness. Now, why would you put it on the side?
I know, right?
Don't put the USB. Tablet makers, don't put the USB on the side. It's dumb. Put it in the back. This is so much smarter. See, Even that little simple thing makes a huge difference. Just putting it in the back. Yes. Put it in the back. Why didn't they do that? Yeah. Other people do it. Yeah. Oh, my glove. Let's see how it fits.
Yeah.
Why don't you try it on first?
Okay. It's probably huge.
It'll probably be huge, but so it's just your pinky.
Yeah.
And there you go. So just your pinky and just your. Yep. And you can try that hand. Are you left-handed?
No. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're right-handed. Okay. I mean, you can use your left hand. It's fine. Okay. Let's see. Oh, how does it feel? And then when you're on here, feel this on here.
Oh.
Yeah. Good
it
stuff.
actually feels good. Yeah.
All right. All right. Let me try it. All right. Let's see here. Oh yeah, it's nice. This one actually fits. I have another one, but this one actually fits a little bit better. It feels a little bit more like.
Yeah.
It's like this is like if I was going out on a Friday night. Like these are my like spandex pants. It's like the nice pants that I'm gonna wear on Friday night. Like this is like that. This is that kind of a.
Yeah.
That kind
And we still have more stuff in here.
Okay. All right. Some cords and stuff. What we got? Pull it out there. There you go. Let's just take the whole thing out. Can you get it? Okay, good. Oh, nice. Okay. All right, cool. So this is probably for the one's probably for the tablet and one's probably for the controller.
Yeah.
So that's good. All right. Grab this. Let's grab this one. What's this?
I'm thinking that's the pens.
The pens? Okay. I think so. But it's got a hard case for them.
True.
I love that. Love that. Love that. I gotta be honest, guys. Like I might sound like but I'm really excited because I just want a good tablet. And look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but on there the logo on there. Woo, baby!
Yes.
Look, the extra nibs in here too.
Whoa.
This is better. This is better than the Wacom one. The Wacom one was like a circular one, and things kind of rattled in there and stuff, and it wasn't that great.
Wait, so
This
you
one's
hook
better.
up both of these two to connect the pins, or
So these are the nibs for the
for the tips?
front, yeah, for the tips, so you can wear them down sometimes and stuff like that. This is going to be like the wireless control, like
Okay.
for each one, or it might just we'll have to see how it'll. Actually, this is the wireless part that goes into your.
Yeah, and I think one of
And this
these
goes into-
cords plugs into that, maybe.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Yep. And then these are the pens. Here, you try this one. I'm gonna try this one.
This one feels
Oh,
light.
they feel nice. They feel nice.
They do.
They've got buttons on them. Oh, they feel really good. So one of the things that was happening to me on the Intuos Pro was that this rubbery part was like coming loose from the pen. Like
This
it was.
part?
Yeah, it was like Here, show them here, in there. Yeah, like this part. Yeah, because it was coming off and rubbing and getting away. This is all part of it. It's very sleek. It's all part of it. I don't think that's moving at all.
No.
So I'm really stoked
They did
about
it very
that.
sturdy.
Yeah, so this is really, really good. I'm excited about this. These feel really nice. But again, I don't want to go too far into the review side of things, but we will later. But okay, let's do that. All right, the last thing is this. Actually, there's some more stuff in there. Now this.
Xencelabs sticker.
Yeah, man. That's it.
Let's put this right on here.
I like it. It's like a crystal or something.
Yeah.
That their logo.
Whoa.
Oh, nice. So this is a wireless controller. You can charge it and stuff, but this is a wireless controller.
I think that, yes.
Oh, feel that. Feel that when you roll it. It feels like high quality, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can click this. This is lighter weight than I thought it was going to be, though. This
Yeah.
is it's nice. But you could actually, because it's wireless like this can be programmed for any program I'm using. Like if it's ZBrush or Painter or Photoshop or... Yeah, I guess it could be Painter. I was thinking of Infinite Painter on the iPad, but that's not this. But it can be used for ZBrush. It could be used for Photoshop. It could be used for Illustrator. Whatever. You could have a whole new set of commands, and this will light up.
Wow.
And I'll be able to control like opacity with this, or I'll be able to. I'm assuming I can do all that. So.
I'm guessing that you can switch for tools.
Yeah.
between
You
this?
can switch all the different tools, and then when you switch the program, it changes it for you like automatically. What's on the screen and stuff. So I'm really excited about this, and I can also hold it in my hand. So I can literally have this tablet on my lap and then have this in my hand and be back pretty
And
far from
controlling it,
be farther
yeah.
away from my computer, not have to be right up on, because I usually have my left hand on the keyboard, and so that's going to make a
so
huge
that you
difference.
Can, like type stuff.
Right, yeah, like press the commands
Yeah.
and stuff like that. So
And that'll help you out with the commands better than the keyboard.
exactly, man. So yeah, so there we go. Let's just like put everything in there. We'll show everybody again. It's a black table, which is unfortunate. I probably shouldn't have not used the black table, but
Yeah.
But that's all right. There's the pens again. They are glorious.
We have the awesome case.
Yes. This is good. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, guys, I've been having so many tablet issues and just been frustrated that I'm excited to try this. Like I'm excited, and I know you're gonna like it too. So thanks for stopping by for the unboxing video. We're gonna be doing the review video next, and we will catch you guys then. Thanks. Take it easy. Peace. Peace.